Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss how to preparation IBPS exam step by step. Preparing for the IBPS Institute of Banking Personnel Selection exam, whether it's for the clerk, PO, probationary officer, or SO, specialist officer, position, requires a structured approach and dedication. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare effectively. Step 1. Understand the exam pattern and syllabus. Identify the exam type. Check if you are appearing for IBPS PO, Clerk, or SO, as the exam patterns and difficulty levels vary slightly. Familiarize with sections. The common sections across IBPS exams include O Preliminary Exam, English Language, Quantitative Aptitude, Reasoning Ability. O Mains Exam, English Language, Quantitative Aptitude, or Data Analysis for PO, Reasoning Ability, General Awareness, Computer Knowledge. Understand sectional timing and negative marking. Each section has a fixed time, and wrong answers attract a penalty of 0.25 marks. Step 2. Make a study plan. Allocate time for each section. Divide your study hours based on your strengths and weaknesses in different sections. Set daily and weekly goals. Create achievable targets to cover specific topics and track your progress regularly. Include revision time. Leave at least 2 weeks before the exam for revision. Step 3. Gather the right study materials. Books. Get standard books like English Language, Wren and Martin for Grammar, Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Quantitative Aptitude. Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal, Fast Track Arithmetic by Rajesh Verma. Reasoning Ability. A Modern Approach to Verbal and Nonverbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. General Awareness. Read monthly current affairs magazines, banking awareness, and economic developments. Online resources. Use apps, YouTube channels, or websites that specialize in banking exams for video lessons, quizzes, and tips. Mock tests and previous year papers. These are essential to get familiar with the exam pattern and question types. Step 4. Build a strong foundation in basics. Focus on basics. Start with understanding fundamental concepts, especially in quantitative aptitude and reasoning. Strengthen grammar for English. Focus on grammar rules, comprehension skills, and vocabulary. Practice banking terms and current affairs for general awareness. Focus on financial news, banking terms, government schemes, and recent updates. Step 5. Practice section-wise. Quantitative aptitude. Practice daily calculations, shortcuts, and data interpretation problems. Reasoning ability. Focus on puzzles, seating arrangement, coding decoding, syllogism, and practice regularly. English language. Improve reading skills, grammar, and comprehension by solving passage-based questions and vocabulary exercises. General awareness. Follow current affairs daily and prepare notes on banking and financial news. Step 6. Take mock tests regularly. Schedule weekly mock tests. Start with 1 mock test per week, gradually increasing to 2 or 3 as the exam date approaches. Analyze performance. Identify weak areas after each test and focus on improving them. Time management practice. Use mock tests to practice time management skills, especially for sections you find challenging. Step 7. Revise regularly. Focus on short notes and important formulas. Keep notes for quick revision of important formulas, tricks, and grammar rules. Review mock test mistakes. Go over your mistakes in each mock test to avoid repeating them. Current affairs revision. Revise current affairs from the past 6 months to ensure you remember the facts. Step 8. Stay consistent and manage stress. Maintain a study routine. Consistency is key to mastering each section. Take breaks. Short breaks during study sessions help prevent burnout. Stay positive and motivated. Join study groups or find study partners if possible to keep up your morale. Step 9. Prepare for the interview for PO and SO exams. Focus on banking knowledge and current affairs. Be well-versed with banking terms, RBI functions, current economic developments, and government schemes. Practice mock interviews. Mock interviews help in gaining confidence, improving communication skills, and learning how to present your answers. Step 10. Final preparation and exam strategy. Revise important topics. Focus on revision rather than learning new topics at the last minute. Exam day strategy. Attempt questions wisely to avoid negative marking, prioritize accuracy, and manage time for each section. Thank you.